welcome to my channel. I'm Katie's Creative Escape, and today I'm going to be sorting all of my filler paper, my Happy Planner filler paper. So what I'm first gonna do is I'm gonna take all the paper out of all these different notebooks, whether I created them or they came like that, and I'm gonna sort them into different piles based on function. So like dot and line, regular line, dot grid, and then like multifunctional like this. All right, so I'm gonna be doing this part sped up, so here we go. Okay, so now I have to put these all in places that I want to put them. So obviously I have the most lined paper, then dot grid, then mixed media, and then I have hardly any graph paper actually. So I'll probably put that in with mixed media or dot grid depending. I'm obviously gonna need something huge for, in fact, I'll probably need two booklets, I guess, for line paper. So I'm gonna pull out all my expander discs and see what I have. Okay, so I have enough expander discs to make 3 big books. So I'm gonna do at least 2 probably with line paper. And so I'll speed that up as well. So here we go. I'm gonna move this out of the way. I'm doing it with this cover, so I think that blue doesn't really go. Maybe gold glitter, probably. Yeah. All right, so here we go. Okay, so that's pretty much as it's gonna fit in this one. I mean, I could get more on, so let's go for it with maybe this one. This might be too much, actually. Oh, let's go just with this purple, and then it should work. Okay, yeah, that's pretty full. So that's one that only has 4 different kinds of paper in it. Those must have been some happy notes that I joined in there, not just filler packs. Okay, so now I'm gonna do another one with expander discs. We'll use the Squaw Girl cover. Okay, so there's the other line one. So these two are all lined paper. So now we're gonna move on to dot grid. So I'm gonna do one more expander, and I don't think I have enough for 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think I'm 1 expander dish short of having enough for 2 more. Okay, so next one. Okay, so that is my expander discs full of dot grid. So I still have some dot grid, and then I have some graph and plain. So I'm gonna put these in their own mini, and then I'll move on to multi-functional paper. Okay, so this is my just like very small extra, and I'll try to remember that most of this is Disney. So I like that, that's fine. Now I'm gonna move on to multimedia or multifunctional. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna divide these into 2 different ones on classic discs, and I'm gonna use all the dividers that I have from Happy Notes to put a divider in anytime it changes like function. So here we go with that. All right, so we went from, well, probably this many, but they were more spread out, in totally mixed, matched, and disorganized to this. So this is a little bit of a mini hodgepodge. This one is multifunctional, dot grid, lined, and multifunctional. So that took so long. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.